Hey everyone, Paula here. Have you ever woken up with sore gums every time you brush or struggled with that stubborn morning breath no mouthwash can fix? I was stuck in that exact rut, sensitive, inflamed gums and constant bad breath until I found GumAktiv. It all started when I noticed my gums would bleed a bit when I brushed and stayed swollen and painful. I tried every toothpaste, mouthwash, and even tweaked my diet. Nothing really worked. Then a friend suggested I chew a GumAktiv tablet first thing in the morning. A probiotic for your mouth? I was skeptical, but decided to give it one last shot before scheduling another dentist appointment. Quick heads up, if you want to try GumAktiv, be careful where you buy it. There are tons of knockoffs out there. To make sure you're getting the genuine article, always buy from the official website. I've put the link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. My order arrived super fast. Back to my story. In just the first few days of GumAktiv, I noticed a refreshing, minty taste without that harsh chemical burn you get from most mouthwashes. I'd let the tablet dissolve under my tongue while I had breakfast. Within a week, the sting when I brushed was almost gone and the bleeding had stopped. After 2 weeks, my gums looked visibly healthier and felt firmer, and I didn't worry about hiding my smile anymore. What really won me over is that each tablet packs 3.5 billion good bacteria, plus natural ingredients like malic acid and tricalcium phosphate to rebalance your oral microbiome and strengthen teeth and gums. No harsh chemicals, just a simple daily habit that fit right into my morning routine. Now, after 3 months of taking GumAktiv every day, my routine dental checkups have turned into compliments instead of warnings, and my breath stays fresh all day with zero bleeding or sensitivity. I wholeheartedly recommend GumAktiv to anyone who's tired of temporary fixes and wants a natural, effective solution for oral health. Give it a try. You might be as surprised as I was. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.